this small property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, hotels, attractions, and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. We talk about the property, except major credit cards and reserve provided